Hi. So in this video, we are actually going to see that how to create a multiple return type variable function. Okay, so a function which is actually able to give multiple outputs. Okay, so basically the task is to create a multiple variable or return type types function. Okay, so first of all we are actually going to write is include iostring, and then we are just going to write this, or else for now if we use string, then we can actually use std string. Okay, and then next it is going to be int main, and then return 0. Okay, so if we create a function, so let's say we want to give the week days as some number. Let's say for example Sunday as 0, Monday as 1, Tuesday as 2, and so on and so forth. So let's give set week number. Here we are going to define two parameters. One is Sunday. Okay, so what is day, and another is the number. Okay, so let's let it be integer num, and then we are going to define return. So now we have to return two things, I mean day and num both. So in this case we are going to be defining pair. So here comes the two things, one is string, another is num. Okay, so you are going to make like this: string std make pair, and the second, yeah, first is going to be day and second was going to be num. So it's actually done. Yeah, sorry, it's going to be int. Okay, so yeah, so it's done. So you just have to set it. Okay, and then for the corresponding make pair would actually take care of the rest. Okay, so, but for this you have to give a library which is utility. So basically this is for cout, and this is for pair and std make pair. Okay, now coming to the next part, which is we are going to now define. Okay, so again likewise we have to define string, and then int, and then it is going to be set week a equals to any variable you define, and you just uh, declare it as the set week num. Okay, but now you have to give some input. Okay, so for example I'm giving Sunday and then as 0. Okay, now the next thing is going to be cout, and then it's going to be it is going to be a dot first, and then it is going to be a dot second. Okay, now let's check if the output is coming Sunday. So the output it would give like this. Okay, and the second one would give like this, Sunday and 0. These are the two outputs which is going to come. okay, over the screen. Okay, so yeah, okay, moreover, I just want to say one thing, that you might find that here I've defined a string. So string is a derived type. Okay, it is not a, you can say it is not a base type of, like, yeah. So like base type are int, float, double, character, chr, then boolean, long, short, okay, all those. So string is a derived one. Okay, so yeah, so here I have used first and second. So now I can actually, go to my terminal, and so yeah, so you can find that it is giving Sunday and 0. Okay, so these are the two required outputs. Okay, and also let me just define here what I'm actually saying when, so it is, so I'm actually using GNU C compiler. Okay, for details of installation, you need to actually see my C. There are multiple ways of installing a compiler, C++ compiler. So yes, for C++, I have actually here used is G++, and then I have used C++17, okay, version, and the test.cpp. Okay, and then output file is test. Okay, this is one command from here till here, and I'm also, after generating the file successfully, output file, I'm just calling this file and doing this. Okay, so I can in return do like this as well. Okay, it is going to give the same output. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. So this is how you can actually create multiple variable, multiple return types of function. Okay, similarly you can use tuple, which gives three like variables as output. Okay, so yeah, and see you in the next video. Thank you.